Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Alisa and I'm here to help you to create harmonious relationship between a man and a woman. I see, ladies, you're making the same mistake. With men, you are treating a man the way you want him to treat you. This is what I mean. For example, you go out on a first date and you're walking in a park with a man that you are dating, and all of a sudden you feel hungry. And instead of saying straight to a guy, you know what, John, I'm actually hungry. Do you mind if we're gonna grab something to eat? You are giving him a hint. John, are you hungry by a chance? And now John gonna tell you, no, I'm not hungry. And then you feel disappointed that he did not get the hint that what you really wanted him to do is to say, oh, Jennifer, you're hungry? Would you like to eat something? But men don't function this way. Ladies, we understand each other really well, and we can read between lines, but men don't function this way. Men would love to please you and make you happy, but how he can do that? By you communicating honestly and authentically. You met the guy first time in a Starbucks and you want him to buy you a coffee or a latte. Don't be embarrassed. Ask him, I would like to get a latte. Or if you're hungry, say, I would love for us to go to Italian restaurant. And your job is to see, is he willing to take you to this restaurant or buy you a lunch or dinner or latte? And if a guy is not willing to buy, then it's not the right guy and you want to move on and date another guy. But most of us ladies, we're thinking that men can read our mind and we're giving him hints right and left, thinking that he can read your mind, and men cannot do that. Your job as a woman is to ask a man what you'd like. And by the way, the same thing you do in a relationship and especially in a marriage. So for example, you want your husband to take you to a vacation, let's say Jamaica. Instead of telling him, honey, when can we go to vacation? You should tell him, honey, I would really love for us to go to Jamaica. Can we start planning the trip? But what most of you ladies are doing, you start working hard to save the money and then go with your husband, let's say John, to Jamaica. And you even giving even 50% to him or even the whole amount of this vacation money so John can take you. Then John is not taking you, your husband. You are taking yourself and him. And my friends, ladies, if a man loves you, he would love to serve you. He would love to do things for you. Your job is to become such a feminine woman where you're making a request and then you're waiting when a man can make this wishes or this request come true. Yes, some men won't be able to take you to Jamaica in a month or two. Maybe it will take him a year because he's not making $60,000 or $80,000 a year. But again, your job is to ask him instead of working hard and making all of this desire and wishes to come true by yourself. Then again, you are in a masculine energy where you don't trust your man, where you are not in a partnership with your man, where you allow him to be a masculine man to provide and to protect, and you're just enjoying this. And again, also, if a man is taking you to a vacation, if a man, your husband, is paying for bills, for a mortgage or car payments, he is doing that because you're giving him something in return. And what you can give to a man is something that is your responsibility to learn. Number one, that every man is waiting, is acknowledgement and appreciation. And to some, acknowledgement and appreciation could be in the language of physical body, where you hold him, you hug him, and you acknowledge him. For others, it's a language where you actually acknowledge him and tell him, honey, what can I do to thank you? Because I'm so proud of you. I am so happy that you are providing and protecting our family and our kids. I am so grateful to you. And you should do this not once a month or once a week, but ideally on a daily basis. Somewhere, somehow, you're acknowledging your man so he doesn't feel like he's just a bank account and ATM. And so, ladies, that's why it's important for you to work on yourself and become a feminine woman. And the fastest way to become a feminine woman is through spiritual practices. That's why I would like for you to be in this program next Saturday. So take an opportunity to be in this program. Again, it's only $65, but this investment gonna be there for you for life. With that said, friends, namaste. I wish you all happiness and I look forward to having you, if you can, next Saturday in my program.